So this is my sampler video. I've uploaded this piano loop into Logic and I'm going to cut it up and make it into a piano sampler instrument. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tuner here to check the pitch of each note. So we can see from that it's going up in octaves with the root key of C. So that'll be useful for when we save our selections for the sampler instrument later. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select an area of the piano loop which is one note, get it right to the edge of the other one, just going to zoom in so I can make sure that it's alright. And that's right on the note. Then I'm going to go to audio file, save selection as, save it to the scratch, and I'm going to call it so. I'm just going to save it, and then we're going to hold down the shift key so I can drag the selection over from one to the other, so then I know that it's at the where I want it to be at the start of the note. And I'm just going to repeat this process until all the notes are done. Save selection as. I think I've just got one more to do. Okay, so now I've done that, I'm going to click on my software instrument, load up the EX24 sampler, and then I'm going to go to edit, which will bring this up, go to new instrument, new, and then Once I've done that, I'm then going to go to my files that I saved. Which are all here. So now I know where they're saved to. I'm going to go to Zone, load multiple samples. As you can see, they're all there. So I'm just going to select them all. And then just add all. I've got some ones that I didn't want to have in there, so I'm just going to delete them. And I'm just going to click Done. And then I'm going, because we've included the root note in the saving of the name, I'm just going to auto map. And now we have a piano sampler instrument.